Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Richmond's Place. This is Matt here. Coming to you from Gaylord, Michigan. We're up here visiting Mom and Dad again, and we're going to check on their garden that we started back around Memorial, just after Memorial, or just before Memorial Day. So we'll see how their garden is coming along. Look at that. We got peppers. We got tomato plants. And look, no weeds. No weeds. I like no weeds. But the plants are coming along great in these raised beds. These are the tomato plants. Looking very nice. Looks like he's got some tomatoes already coming on. And see him back there hiding. See him? Back there hiding. So get in there and get him. Very nice. Radishes are coming up good. This weed fabric is so nice to work with. It really keeps the weeds out. Allows the plants to flourish. Now, looks like the beans are starting to climb. Cucumbers are starting to climb now. No weeds. Good stuff. This is pepper plants. Those are coming on pretty nice. You got some peppers growing. All in all, these beds turned out really nice. That weed fabric, same weed fabric that we used on the Homestead. We got it out of Grower Solutions. It's a good thick woven plastic. Really keeps the weeds out, allows the water to get in. See if we can stand back here and really get a good look at this, because this really turned out beautiful, and the archway turned out absolutely amazing. Going from one raised bed to another. Let's take a look at it from a distance. Isn't it beautiful? Eventually that archway will be completely covered. Now, one thing that my father did here that I really like is what he did with his raspberry bushes. I'll show you here. I plan on doing this back at our homestead now that I've really gotten a good look at it. So what he did is he put up some T-posts. really keeps these raspberry bushes contained. They run some wire from one T-post to the next. Really nice. That was a good idea. It makes me excited. I really want to go back and try that now. Probably going to do it next year. The weather's been absolutely beautiful up here this weekend. I've had an opportunity to spend some time with my mom and dad. It's always really nice. My mom, she's got Alzheimer's. So some days are really good for her and other days are a challenge. It's a horrible disease. I wouldn't wish that on anybody. It's difficult to have your body and for your mind to go the way it does. Yeah, not sure which is worse. Losing your mind, your ability physically. But it can get anybody. So, anywho, we got somebody here with a really loud engine. And I wanted to wish everybody a great weekend. Thank you for visiting our channel. God bless. Have a great day. Please subscribe, like, share these videos. Thank you.